Hi everyone, it's the Unspeakable at Interscapes Art Studios. And today, it's a beautiful, beautiful day, and I had nothing on my calendar for this afternoon. So I thought, what should I do? Write my book? Pack more? No, I need to paint. So I'm taking some of the paints that haven't yet made it into storage. And it's the full moon this evening, equinox tomorrow. It's just a magical time in nature, and sometimes we don't have time to notice that, but I generally do, and I celebrate it. So this painting is a celebration of full moon equinox. It's autumn summer. It's pretty hot, but quite beautiful. Okay, here we go. Okay, these are the colors I'm using today. I have 3 blues, a violet and a magenta, cad yellow, ochre yellow, fine gold, nickel gold, green gold, sap green, Prussian blue, phthalo, and some titanium white mixed and tinted with fine gold. So I'm painting over this painting, and I'll post it on the screen at the end so you can see how I made this. So I'm just going to today's a simple painting. I'm going to speed up the rest of the video because it is a swipe and it stays in one position generally. So it'll be a speed paint and you can see the whole process. I've sped this up about 100 times. So really I take my time when I do this. And can you tell which part will be the sky? I definitely wanted to celebrate the full moon in this painting. And how many of you have noticed that the last few days have been a little bit calmer than most of the summer? There is something, and there was something going on astrologically that actually was like a weather pattern in the vibrational energies of astrology, and things seem to calm down. It won't last, nothing lasts, everything rotates. But it's been a pretty magical time, and a time where one can access multiple layers of a deep dream, the higher aspects of our thought processes and our emotions. These things are difficult to talk about, and that's why I paint, and that's why my name is The Unspeakable. So here I actually dropped in a moon, and I dropped in one more color, and there it is. Here it is wet, and here it is dry. Oh yes, this is exactly the magic and the mystery that I feel at this time of year. Thank you so much for joining me. Hit that like button, and I'll see you soon.